Hi there, welcome back to Diamond Ridge Studios. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing video from the Tokyo Pen Shop, and I found a bunch of really cool things on there that I thought I could potentially use for customizing. So this will probably be a 2 to 3 part series. The first one being unboxing this box of goodies, I guess, and then the second, potentially 2 parts, will be me testing out the products. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is their little logo. I believe it's like the tokyopenshop.org. I will have it put up on the screen. You see any of the stuff here that you like. And they've got the cutest little logo. And so let's get started. So we have this. These few things are not part of the haul, really, but I got a traveler's notebook and 2 planners. So those aren't really customizing related, and neither are these really fun stickers, but they're so cute. They're just like so cute. Onto the actual customizing stuff. So they are sent in this nice little paper envelope, I guess, and there's a nice little, can't really see it, but very cute tape. So let's open it on up. I'm forgetting everything I got. So this is a bento stamp, and it is very cute. I'll do a little try out thing at the end of this video for all of these. It is a Pilot Feslyian stamp. So what else we have in here? So we have this, I'm really excited for. These are pens, and this is a lime green one. Oh wait, no, this is an eraser. I am very confused. So this is an eraser pencil, and I thought this could be really useful for like herring and stuff, because, or like pastel eraser herring, because if you look carefully, this is an eraser and you could literally just like draw on with it. And I thought this would be really useful for herring details or like erasing for dapples and things like that. So we have these pencils. These are the Uni Emote pens, and they are the size fine 0.4. Gosh, I'm awful at this. And I got them in 3 different shades. I thought this would be really useful for herring and stuff like that. So we have a kind of chestnutty brown color, a dark gray, and a dark brown. And so then that is what we have, and then we have this cute little sticker. Oh my gosh. This says tokyopenshop.com on the bottom, and it is the little mascot, I guess, underneath a Japanese book. You can kind of see the little obento, I keep calling it obento, onigiri kind of stamp, and let's see how well this works. Worked pretty well. You can kind of see it there. I think I might have pressed a little bit too hard. Yeah. We have the onigiri. There we go. I hadn't said it right. And so that is what it ends up looking like. It's kind of like a little onigiri triangle there. And so this is the dark brown Emote pen. You can see it's like a very fine line, and this is the dark brown. Sorry, the camera's flipped upside down, so we're going to swap that so you guys can see. So there we have the dark brown. The dark gray. There you go. You have the dark brown, the dark gray, and the chestnut. But yeah, that is my little tokyopenshop.com haul. And if you guys like this video, I will most certainly be getting more stuff from them because their stuff is so cute. And I will most certainly be doing a part 2 to this series where I test the herring pens that I got and the eraser. Sorry, I couldn't really do an eraser test in this video, but that will be used in the future, and I'm very tempted to use this as my studio logo. And anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!